Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. In this series on the classification of fungi, today we will explore Deuteromycetes, also known as the imperfect fungi. Why are they called imperfect, and how do they reproduce? Let's find out in this episode, designed especially for NEET 2026, Class 11 and 12 biology students for quick revision. As always, our daily NEET biology podcast will be at 7 p.m. And also, you can check our podcast playlist on this. So, without further ado, let's get started. Let's talk about general features of Deuteromycetes. Deuteromycetes are called the imperfect fungi because their sexual stage is absent or not yet known. They reproduce only asexually by Conidia, which are produced on conidiophores. Their mycelium is septate and branched. Most species are saprophytic, while some act as parasites or decomposers. This group includes both useful and harmful fungi. Let's quickly revise the key features of Deuteromycetes, which include reproduction only through Conidia, since their sexual stage is absent. Their mycelium is septate and branched, and most are terrestrial. Some species are endophytic or parasitic, while many play an important role in decomposing organic matter. A few are also useful in producing antibiotics like Penicillium. Now, let's look at some important examples of Deuteromycetes, which include Penicillium, which is used in the production of antibiotics, and Trichoderma, a useful biocontrol agent. Harmful members include Alternaria, which causes leaf spot, Colletotrichum responsible for red rot of sugarcane, and Helminthosporium that infects crops. Some species, like Candida, can also cause diseases in humans. Now, let's see ecological and economic importance of Deuteromycetes. Deuteromycetes have both positive and negative importance. Positively, they act as decomposers recycling nutrients, produce antibiotics like penicillin from Penicillium, and some like Trichoderma are used as biocontrol agents. On the negative side, species like Alternaria and Colletotrichum cause plant diseases, while Candida can cause human infections. They also lead to major crop losses in agriculture. Now, let's see the importance of Deuteromycetes. Deuteromycetes are not just imperfect fungi, they are incredibly important to us. They give us life-saving antibiotics like penicillin from Penicillium notatum. They help in industry, producing organic acids such as citric acid from aspergillus. They're used in the food industry, especially in cheese production. Some, like Trichoderma, act as biocontrol agents, protecting crops naturally. But not all are beneficial. Others, like Fusarium and Alternaria, cause serious plant diseases. Let's quickly recap Deuteromycetes. They are called the imperfect fungi because their sexual stage is not known. They reproduce mainly by Conidia, and their mycelium is septate and branched. Most species act as saprotrophic, parasites, or decomposers. Important examples include Alternaria, Colletotrichum, and Trichoderma. Here's your challenge question for today. Why are Deuteromycetes called imperfect fungi? Is it A, they have septate hyphae, B, sexual reproduction is absent or unknown, C, they produce basidiospores, or D, they are all pathogenic? Comment your answers or send it to us on Telegram or WhatsApp. That's all for Deuteromycetes, the imperfect fungi. We covered their asexual reproduction, Conidia, important examples, and ecological and economic importance. Don't forget to try the challenge question. In the next episode, we'll explore lichens, the fascinating symbiotic association of fungi and algae. How do lichens survive in extreme conditions, and what makes them unique? Stay tuned to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology to find out. Also, don't miss our daily NEET MCQs and PYQs playlist linked in the description and in the cards above. See you in the next episode.